This is my audio without an audio enhancer, and this is my audio with this free audio enhancer I'm going to show you right now. So let's get to it. Hello class, so recently I made a video challenge where I gave 10 euros to any stranger that answered my questions, and the audio of that video was terrible. The background noise was louder than I was, and it was just shitty anyways. I almost gave up on editing that video. I almost deleted that video, but I was just like, you know what, let me just go online and see if I can learn a thing or two about how to improve audio quality, until I stumbled upon a solution, which is Adobe Podcast. This is an AI powered tool that elevates your voice and even remove background noise. So I'm going to show you how to use this. So we are going to be using this video as an example. Hello everyone, it's really windy outside, so I hope you give me a like and click on the subscribe button now. Now the first step is to export your video as an audio. You can do this using your editing app, but for us that use simple editing apps like Videolip, CapCut, InShot, we cannot do this on this editing app. So I'm going to be teaching you how to convert your video into audio. You simply have to upload your video into an online audio converter. I have a link to one in the description box. When it's done loading, just simply click on the convert button and it converts it from MP4 to MP3. Then you download it. Now the next step is to go to Adobe Podcast. I also have a link in my description box. So all we have to do is simply upload the audio we just converted and enhance. And within a few seconds or minutes, depending on the length of your video, it enhances the audio quality of your video and even reduce the background noise. Now the next step is to go back to your video in your editing app and add the audio you just enhanced. So I use InShot, so I simply go to music, I select the audio I just enhanced. You have to make sure it starts right from the beginning of the video so that it will be in sync with your lips. Now after doing that, you extract the original audio in the video and delete it, because we just want the enhanced audio and not the original audio. And now it has gone from this. Hello everyone, it's really windy outside, so I hope you give me a like and click on the subscribe button now. To this. Hello everyone, it's really windy outside, so I hope you give me a like and click on the subscribe button now. Now the downside to this app is that it would not allow you make any adjustments in the app. You can only enhance your audio and download it. But even without the adjustment, you can still make it work. Another downside is that if your background noise has human sounds at the background, like if someone is talking, your audio can sound robotic, or you would hear some alien kind of sound, because the app is trying to recognize which one you want to enhance. So yeah, that could be a problem if your background noise is that of human beings instead of just like normal background noise or echo. But I would take that over a loud background noise and low audio quality anytime, any day. Now if you want to check out the full video where I used this AI tool to improve the sound quality, you know, the one with the 10 euros challenge, you can click the link in the description box. I uploaded it on my new channel. Make sure you subscribe to that channel and I will see you there. Okay, bye.